Before we discuss the best app that'll help you earn extra income, I want to share with you this first app. This one will let you get your money through bank transfer or PayPal. These two are essential if you want to receive all the money you can get on the apps that we'll talk about. This also means that you won't get points but instead receive actual cash. I believe that most of you are PayPal users since it's widely used and very accessible. If you're unable to use PayPal in your country, don't worry because this app has other payment options. Before we move any further in this video, I want to first make sure that you have an account where you can receive your money. So before we discuss the website, I'll help you set up your own PayPal account. First, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. If you're already on their homepage, just click the button that says Sign up for free today. Just fill out the required details and you're good to go. Well, if you're not a fan of PayPal and want to receive your money through a different method, then you can just set up your own bank account. Google has all the answers for you. You can just type the words "online banking in my country" in the search box and Google will give you lots of options to choose from. Now, I also want to tell you that if you want to maximize the earning potential of everything that I'm going to discuss, then focus on all the details that I'll say. Don't worry, as I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. The first app is quite convenient since you don't have to earn thousands or hundreds of dollars before they allow you to cash out. There are apps out there that will not allow you to get your money unless you meet the minimum amount for cash out. I'm happy to tell you that this only wants you to have at least $2 to $5 in order for you to get your cash. But it'll depend on the type of reward you choose and where you're making money from. It's also all up to you if you want to let your money grow before you cash out. It's totally your choice. This app is definitely free, and though you'll see some ads, you can just simply swipe. Now you can already have the additional $2 to $5, and let me tell you, that's just the amount per device. You can use all the devices in your house to get as much as you can. You have guaranteed extra money every month that you can spend on different things, which is really helpful since you didn't even exert much effort and time. Yet, you can get up to $150 per month. I bet you spend a lot of your time scrolling through your phone, and there's nothing new with this app since all you have to do is unlock your phone and swipe through the ads. You might even be one of the Gen Zs in the United States that have unlocked their phones 79 times every day. That was based on research, by the way. So you'll just be doing what you normally do. Imagine opening your phone and unlocking it to look for something, check on messages, or buy stuff, and you're basically earning through that. I know I told you that you don't have to do anything but unlock your phone and swipe through it. It basically seems like a part of your everyday life. You can download this app in the App Store for iOS users and in Google Play for Android users. Are you ready for the app reveal? I know you've been waiting to hear it in the first few parts of the video, but the app is actually called MooCash. You can visit its website at moocash.com. They have their own website, but you're still required to download the app in order to really earn. I've told you where you can download it, and once you search for it in your App Store or Google app, install it in your mobile device right away so that you can sign up for free and earn those extra bucks. We can all agree that this app is amazing, but we still have another app that will not require you to swipe but will still pay you. Now this other app will give you cash even without needing you to scroll or swipe through your phone. You can earn as much as you can with this app, and it'll allow you to do it repeatedly. You'll also receive your money through PayPal. You can navigate through this app and their website later once I tell you its name. You see, their statement there is that the app is absolutely safe. Your personal settings and data are also protected. You can even search for its legitimacy later, and you'll see how many people use it and how much they trust it. You might have seen videos that teach you how to earn money by offering your skills. Some even have to test your abilities. There are others that'll need you to listen to audio, edit photos, or generate traffic. But with this one, you don't have to have a specific skill. You don't have to be the best at something because you won't be doing any work or tasks. Just like MooCash, this other app will also let you use multiple devices, because the more devices you use, the higher amount you'll be able to cash out. It even claims to be paying the most. A quick reminder that this app will not pay you thousands of dollars, but you can get as much as that if you wait for your money to pile up. We've all been guilty of wasting too much time on our gadgets, so why not do it while we're earning? This one, though, is available only on your Android phone. You'll get money every minute, and that's pretty amazing. I mean, you won't do anything, and yet you can have extra money. Like what I said, the app is not available for iOS users, unlike the first app. Now, the app is called Cash Magnet. You can now search for it in your Google Play Store and install it immediately to enjoy its perks. You can use your email address or your Google account to sign up for a free account on this app. Once you're done signing up, you can already set it up and get your money flowing in on autopilot. You are most welcome, and you can start right now to maximize your passive income through these two apps.